In this question, we've been given two inequalities, then a relationship between the mystery numbers x and y, and we've been asked to find all the possible values of x. Oh yes, and we're told that x and y are both integers. Okay, so what are the possible values of x without y's influence? Well, it can't be 3, so x can be 4, 5, 6, and 7. The second inequality, y can be, without x's influence, y can be 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. But we're now told that x plus y must equal 14. So let's try x equals 4 and see if we get, given the values of y, see if we get x plus y is 14. Well, if 4, we need y to be 10. So this is not a result. X is equal to 5. Well, yes, y can be equal to 9, and x plus y is also equal to 14. And if x is equal to 6, we need y to be equal to 8, and that is also possible. And there's a 7 and a 7, so yes, we get a third possibility. X is equal to 7, y must be equal to 7, and x plus y again is equal to 14. So bringing those results together, x can be 5, 6, or 7. And that's your answer.